Hello everyone, myself Vinay Kumaram. I am pursuing PhD in physics. So in this particular YouTube channel, I'll be teaching physics, chemistry and mathematics starting from 8th standard till 12th standard. So if you want to learn physics, chemistry and mathematics, then please do subscribe to my channel. So in my previous video, I had discussed about the area of sphere. It is equal to 4 pi r square. And we had found out the curved surface area of hemisphere. Hemisphere is half of the sphere. If you cut a sphere into half exactly through the center of the sphere, then that forms an hemisphere. So this curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square, and total surface area of same hemisphere will be equal to 3 pi r square. So now we have area of sphere, curved surface area of hemisphere, and total surface area of hemisphere. Now based on these formulas, we will move into the examples which are there in this chapter. So now we will look into the example 4. So in example 4, you have to find out surface area of a sphere which has radius 7 centimeter. So this is just a direct question where they have already given radius as 7 centimeter and surface area. So area of sphere means this is surface area. So surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. So surface area of sphere, so I'll write this as AS. So here onwards, if I'm writing AS, that is surface area of sphere. So S means sphere, A means area, that is surface area of sphere. So that is equal to 4 pi r square. So here 4 pi r square means 4 into 22 by 7 into r square means it is 7 into 7. So here 1717 gets cancelled with each other. So 7 fours are 28 into 22. So here 28 into 22 will be 616 centimeter square because here radius is centimeter. So now we have found out the surface area of this sphere. Now we will move into the next example. So example 5. So we look into example 5. So in example 5, you have to find out curved surface area and total surface area of a hemisphere with the radius 21 centimeter. So here we are considering hemisphere. So here we are considering hemisphere. So here curved surface area of an hemisphere. So CSA of H I will write like this. So this represents curved surface area of hemisphere. So this is equal to 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7. R is 21 centimeters. So r square is there. So 21 into 21. So 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So now 22 into 2 will be 44. So here 21 into 3 will be 63. So 44 into 63. So 44 into 63 will give you 2772. Here the unit is centimeter for radius. So curved surface area will be centimeter square. So 2772 centimeter square is the curved surface area of this hemisphere. Now you have to find out total surface area of this hemisphere. So now the total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. So 3 pi r square is equal to 3 into 22 by 7 into our radius is 21. So 21 into 21. So 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. Here it will be 22 into 3. So 22 into 3 is 66 into 21 into 3 is 63. So 66 into 63 will give you 4158. So 4158 centimeter square is the total surface area of this hemisphere. So now we will move into the next example, that is example 6. So in example 6, so there is an halo sphere in which a circus motorcyclist performs his stunts. So that is basically an halo sphere is there like this. So in this halo sphere, inside that sphere, a motorcyclist is performing his stunt around this sphere inside that closed halo sphere. So now you have to find out the area available to the motorcyclist for riding. So basically, approximately you have to find out the curved surface area of this sphere. So the motorcyclist is doing the stunts inside the sphere. So if you consider the thickness of the sphere, So the radius of the inner part of the sphere will be different. Radius of the outer part will be different. Remember this. But here in the question, they have not mentioned inner radius and outer radius. They have just mentioned the diameter of this sphere. So here you have to consider the thickness of this sphere negligible. So you have to consider thickness of the sphere as negligible. So just 7 meter you have to consider as inner and outer diameter of this sphere. And here you have to find out the curved surface area of this sphere. So diameter is 7 meter. So radius will be equal to 3.5 meter. So this is 7 meter. So radius of this sphere will be equal to 3.5 meter. So now you have to find out the surface area of sphere. So surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5 into 3.5. 7 ones are 7. 7.5s are 3.5. So now you have 0.5 into 3.5, 4 into 22. So this is 88 into 0.5 into 3.5. So if you solve this, you'll get 154 meter square. So now we will move into example 7. So in example 7, they have asked to find out the cost of painting the hemispherical dome. So here there is a building which has hemispherical dome and it has to get painted. And circumference of the base of the dome is 17.6 meters. So here they have given circumference but not the radius. So you can find out the radius. So base will be in the shape of circle of a hemisphere. So you can find out easily, you can find out the radius using 2 pi r formula because circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. So from there you can find out radius. So now you have to calculate the total cost of painting, and 100 centimeter square cost 5 rupees. So total area, total curved surface area of the hemispherical dome you have to calculate because the dome is just appeared like this. So this is building which has hemispherical dome. So the base you are not painting, you are just painting this curved surface area of this hemisphere. So you have to find out curved surface area of this hemisphere and you have to calculate the total cost. So here circumference, so here circumference of the circle is given as 2 pi r. So here circumference is equal to 17.6 meter, which is equal to 2 pi r. So r is equal to 17.6 divided by 2 pi. So that is nothing but 17.6 divided by 2 into 22 by 7. So this 7 will go to numerator. So 17.6 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. So if you solve this, you will get 2.8 as your answer. So radius of the base of this hemisphere is equal to 2.8 meter. So now you can calculate the curved surface area of this hemisphere, that is equal to 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 2.8. So 2.8 into 2.8. So 7 ones are 7, 7 4s are 28. So here one point is there. So it is 0.4. So 2 into 22 is 44 into 0.4 into 2.8. So if you solve this, you will get 49.28 meter square. So now we have got 49.28 meter square as the curved surface area of this hemisphere. We know that in the question they have given 100 centimeter square, 100 centimeter square cost 5 rupees. So 100 centimeter square, if you have to convert this to meter square, then you have to multiply this with 10 power minus 4 because centimeter square means it is centimeter into centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter means here 10 power minus 2 meter into 10 power minus 2 meter. So 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2 will be 10 power minus 4 meter square. So that's why in the place of centimeter square, I can write this as 10 power minus 4 meter square. This costs 5 rupees. Now we have the curved surface area which is 49.28 meter square. this cost, how much you have to calculate. So you have to cross multiply this. So total cost is X here, that is equal to 49.28 meter square into 5 rupees divided by 100 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. So here meter square gets cancelled with each other. So 49.28 divided by 100 will be 0.4928 into rupees 5 into this 10 power minus 4. If you bring to numerator, it will become 10 power plus 4. So X will be equal to 24,640 rupees. So 5 into 4,928 will give you 24,640 rupees. So this is the total cost of the paint. So now we will move into the exercise question which are there in this chapter. So now we have exercise 11.2. So in exercise 11.2, we have to assume pi value as 22 by 7 unless and until if they have mentioned to take pi value as 3.14 in a particular question, then you have to take 3.14, or else you have to just take pi value as 22 by 7. So now we will move into the first question in this exercise 11.2. In first question, you have to find out area of sphere. They have given 3 radius. So you have to find out for area of the sphere for all 3 radius. So in that first radius, they have given as 10.5 centimeter. So area of sphere will be equal to 4 pi r square, that is 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is 10.5. So 10.5 square, that is 10.5 into 10.5. So here 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 3 will be remaining. So 35, 7 5s are 35. So point you have to keep here 1.5. So surface area of this sphere is 22 into 4 is 88 into 1.5 into 10.5. So this will give you, if you calculate this, it will give you 1386 centimeter square. So now we will move to the second sphere. So second sphere has radius equal to 5.6 centimeter. So area of this sphere will be 4 pi r square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is there. So 5.6 into 5.6. So 7 ones are 7. 7 sevens are 49, 7 8s are 56. So 0.8 will be remaining. So area of this sphere will be 4 into 22, that is 88 into 0.8 into 5.6. So if you calculate this, you will get 394.24 centimeter square. So now coming into the third sphere has radius equal to 14 centimeter. So here also area of the sphere will be 4 pi r square. So that is 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is 14. So 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 4 into 22 is 88. 14 into 2 is 28. So area of this sphere will be 88 into 28. That will be equal to 2464 centimeter square. So now we have found out area of all 3 spheres. Now we will move into the second question in the same exercise 11.2. So in second question, you have to find the surface area of sphere diameter. So this is also similar to first question, but here they have given diameters in the place of radius. So the first question here, diameter is 14 centimeter. So diameter is 14 centimeter means radius will be 14 by 2, that is equal to 7 centimeter. So area of this sphere will be 4 pi r square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into r square means it is 7 into 7. So 7 gets cancelled with each other. So 22 into 4 is 88. So 88 into 7. 8 sevens are 56, 5 carry. 8 sevens are 56, 5 carry. So 616 centimeter square is the area of this sphere. So now we will move to the second sphere in this second question that has diameter 21 centimeter. So if diameter is 21 centimeter, then radius will be 10.5 centimeter. So in first question, radius they had given as 10.5 centimeter. So we have already solved this. So that is 4 pi r square. So area is 4 pi r square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. So radius 10.5 centimeter means we have already calculated in the first question itself. So here we have already calculated in the first question 4 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. We have got answer as 1386. So this will also be 1386. So if you solve this, you'll get 1386 centimeter square as your answer. So now moving into the third question, third sphere in this second question. This has diameter equal to 3.5, not centimeter, it's meter. So radius is half of this. So half of 35 will be 17.5. So that is 1.75 meter. So radius is 1.75 meter. So now you have to find out area of the sphere, that is 4 pi r square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is 1.75 into 1.7. So here 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 twos are 14, 3 will be remaining 35, 7 fives are 35. So 0.25 is the value. So area of this sphere is 4 into 22 into 0.25 into 1.75. So if you calculate this, you'll get 38.5 meter square. So here here the area of this sphere is 38.5 meter square. So now we will move into the third question in this exercise. So in third question, you have to find the total surface area of a hemisphere which has radius 10 centimeter, and here they have mentioned to take 3.14 as the pi value. Radius they have given, so radius they have given this radius as 10 centimeter, and you have to find out total surface area of this hemisphere. So total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. So total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. So 3 into 22 by 7 into, so here pi value you should not take 22 by 7. They have exclusively mentioned to take 3.14 into r is 10, and again r is 10 only. So r square is 100. So 3 into 3.14 into 10 into 10 is 100. So 3 into 3.14 will be 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4, 3 3s are 9. So 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 4, 3 3s are 9. So 9.42 into 100, that is equal to 942. Here it is in centimeter, r is in centimeter. So 942 centimeter square is the total surface area of this hemisphere. So this is all there in this particular video. We have looked into the examples and 3 questions in this exercise 11.2 in this video. So in my next video, I will be solving the next questions which are there after this third question in this exercise 11.2. Until then, if you want to learn more physics, chemistry and mathematics starting from 8th standard till 12th standard, then you have to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.